Perplexity is not just a research tool. This website offers you to create an AI image, and they actually have many AI models for generating images. And one of them is Dall-E, which is an AI model from OpenAI. So if you want to generate an image using the Dall-E model from Perplexity, then here's what you need to do. Of course, I have explained that in my previous video. You can simply just create a new thread and then you can generate an image. But in order to make sure that we are using the Dall-E model, then you have to navigate to the settings right here. And then under the account tab, you want to search a menu called, I think somewhere in here, image generation model. Right now it says Playground version 3. If you click on it, you'll see that there are many other options. There is Dall-E 3 and Flux 1. So the one that I want to use is Dall-E 3, of course. So I'm going to click it. And now this is basically becoming the default model when creating a new image. So let's create a new thread. And let's say I want to try a picture of someone eating a lunch. Let's try that. And by the way, since we are creating an image, there is no point of enabling the search feature. So I guess I'm going to switch to the auto, and I will disable all the web, academic, social, and organization files because those are not necessary when generating images. Now click on it and let's hit enter. So we're not going to use this feature. This is for answering questions, but we want to generate an image. So what you need to do is you have to click generate image, and you can actually just go ahead and click either painting, photograph, illustration, or diagram. But I do not recommend that, because if you do that, they are basically going to create an image based on this answer as the prompt, which is definitely not the best prompt for generating an image. You can use that, but usually the quality is not going to be very good. So I guess I'm going to copy my own prompt, or I can also just use the answer, because it appears to be understanding that I'm planning to create a picture. So I could use the answer, this section of the answer, and I'm going to copy it. And then click generate image, click this icon, custom prompt, and let's remove this. Let's remove that, and I'm going to paste the new prompt. This is where you can specify the style of the image. I guess I'm going to be using a 2D picture. And this prompt is a bit too long, so I have to let's say remove this section. All right, let's click submit and wait until it finishes. The image is being generated, and of course the Dall-E 3 model is being used for generating this image. I think OpenAI might come with new AI models in the future, but I think Dall-E 3 is the best we got today. So this is the picture. It's very interesting, and as you can see, it is being created by Dall-E 3. So yeah, that's just something that was generated using Dall-E 3 via Perplexity. So yeah, anyway, that's basically it. That's how you can use Dall-E on Perplexity. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.